was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today is my clean and decorate for Valentine's Day, and I'm so excited to share with you my neutral, simple, really romantic Valentine's Day decor. And I wanted you guys to know that I did not go overboard on any of it this year, nor did I break the budget. So I hope that this gives you a ton of ideas and inspiration. And before we get into the video, I just wanted to remind you guys that we love because God first loved us.
Talked about everything that was on our...
So when it comes to decorating for holidays like Valentine's Day or maybe Easter would be another good example, I don't like to go too crazy with decor and put it everywhere in my home, but what I'll do is I'll pick out a few pieces that I love, or maybe I just have a couple of sentimental pieces, and I'll just decorate a couple of areas in my home. So the mantle is the first area that I'm going to decorate, and I was so excited because most of this decor is actually from the Hobby Lobby wedding section, and it was 50% off, so I got a good deal on almost everything. I added that lamb's ear garland because I thought it matched the lamb's ear I have in that vase, and then I'm going to just add a couple of pops of love. I had that sign and then that little heart sign, as well as these white burlap roses, which also came from the wedding section, and then I just incorporated a little bit of pink florals just to make it a little more fun and a little more festive. And I loved this. I thought it looked really romantic but still really simple and neutral.
Don't wanna be shy.
I also found this garland. It just has plaid gray hearts on it, and I thought it matched my family room perfectly, so I bought this to layer with the lamb's ear garland, and I feel like it just tied everything on my mantle all together, and I love the way that this turned out. It is such a pretty focal point here in my main living space. I got this sweet peony scented candle for Christmas, so I finally broke it out today, and it smells so floral and pretty, and it just really matches the Valentine's Day theme. And I also forgot to mention before, you can see on the chalkboard there, you'll see it in a second as I continue vacuuming, it just says bind my wandering heart to thee, and I did that before I filmed this video, but I wanted to let you guys know I did that with the intention of it just kind of again going with that Valentine's Day decor theme.
Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that?
And moving right along to my entryway table, I'm just going to quickly wipe it down with my Thieves household cleaner. I had deep cleaned it not that long ago, but the first thing I'm going to add is this really cute little beaded garland. It has a little wooden heart on the bottom, and I found it at Hobby Lobby again, but this time I found it in the Valentine's Day decor section. I thought it was really cute and just a perfect little addition here to this cluster of vases. And then I found this sign at Kirkland's. It just says love lives here, and I thought it was really sweet next to a picture of my kiddos. So right off of our foyer area is our guest room, and I really love to add just a couple of little seasonal pieces because it is the first thing you see when you walk through our front door. So the first thing I'm adding is this really cute blush pink heart garland. I found it at Target, and I am just quickly putting it up over the headboard.
Would, 'cause 'cause I'm just
If by chance this is the first time you're stopping by my channel, I just wanted to say hi, my name is Amy and I'm so glad that you stopped by today. Here on my channel, I do lots of clean and decorate with me videos. I love doing home decor content, cleaning motivation, and just everyday motivation for busy mamas. So if you like what you see today, make sure you hit that little red subscribe button down below.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
And now that I am finishing up making the bed, the last thing I'm going to add is this really cute pink plaid pillow. I found this at Kirkland's several years ago. And another addition I am doing is just adding a vase of baby's breath. It's really inexpensive. I bought several bunches and I'm just gonna put it up throughout my home. It's still really neutral, it's cheap, and I think it makes the space look really pretty. But now I'm moving on to my front room, and the first thing I'm gonna do is just quickly pick up this board game my daughter and I were playing earlier in the day. I forgot to pick it up, so I'm just gonna quickly do that and then we'll move on to adding a few pieces of decor.
Forever. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
So when I looked up Valentine's Day decor on Pinterest, the first thing that came up were all of these wintry birch trees with little heart ornaments on them, and I thought they were so cute. And I looked around for some and they were all really expensive, but I bought one on Amazon and I had no idea what kind of quality I was going to get, and I was pleasantly surprised. This one was really cute. I also bought the ornaments on Amazon and I thought it was just a really pretty wintry touch. This is super pretty at nighttime when it lights up the space too. Ever since I refinished this hutch, I really love redecorating it for the different seasons. So that's what I'm going to do today. I just added that picture, again, full of baby's breath. I thought that was so pretty up top. And that sign on the very top that has the Bless the Food Before Us on it is new. I found that at Hobby Lobby, as well as this really cute heart wreath and a few other little touches like those little houses that have hearts on them. There's a canister that has hearts on it and a little rolling pin and just a few other little touches of Valentine's Day decor.
I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just want to make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated.
So we had some friends over for dinner the night before and I had cleared off all of the dishes, but I never actually wiped down the table and put it back together. So I'm just going to quickly do that and then put the runner back on, and then this room will be all clean and finished.
Yeah, I can drive the whole along.
And while I'm finishing this up, let me know in the comments below, do you have any fun Valentine's Day traditions that you do with your spouse or maybe your kids, or just something fun that you do for the holiday? Let me know in the comments below. I always love hearing new ideas. One thing I love to do around this time of year is to have fresh cut flowers in my home. Adding pink roses is a really fun way to make the house feel festive for Valentine's Day. And now I'm going to take a quick coffee break. I'm just making some coffee in this new little mug I found at Marshall's. I thought it was so cute. And then before I start cleaning here in the kitchen, I'm just going to diffuse some lemon and thieves. I diffuse this almost every single day because it's so good for our immune system this time of year with cold and flu season, and so far it has worked really well. Today, just to change things up a little bit, I'm using this Love Home Planet brand. I believe it was found at Target. and this was in the orange and vanilla scent, and it smelled so good, and it went really well with my lemon diffuser going. It all just kind of blended together and smelled really citrusy and really yummy. So I'm just using those wipes to wipe down my counters and my appliances and just get all of my surfaces feeling clean.
Fight, even though there's overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching.
One of the really easy and simple ways I like to decorate in my kitchen is just to add a festive hand towel or tea towel here to the dishwasher. So that's what I'm going to do here. It just has the word love on it. I found it at HomeGoods with that other tea towel that was on my hutch that was the red polka dot. And then here over on this side by my stove top, I'm going to add these really cute red oven mitts. They have little hearts on them, and I also found these at HomeGoods as well.
Demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind. Demons pushing all my triggers, losing my pride. But I guess that's what love do to people like us, struggling to come.
I feel like this day and age with social media being the way it is, we get so much content bombarded at us, and we can feel really pressured to do all the things, to buy all the things for these holidays. And if you're someone who doesn't like a lot of clutter, or you don't like to spend the money on a ton of decor every season, don't feel like you have to be a good mom or a good homemaker, because that could not be farther from the truth. If you're someone like me who really likes simple decor, I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I hope it brought you some ideas and some motivation. And if you did like this video, make sure you hit that little thumbs up button. That really helps me out and lets YouTube know that you enjoy this content. And I'll see all of you in the next one really soon. I hope you're having a great day today, and I'll talk to you later. Bye guys.